Hello, beautiful people. To all the Unified Igbos non-proponents, to every Igbo, both home and abroad in diaspora. I thank you all for the support, for the encouragement that you have been giving to all of us on this project, the Unified Igbos now. One name. Thank you.
It has not been easy, but for sure, your support and your encouragement has always kept us going. And we have been having a wonderful event here and there, making sure that Igbos are together.
United.
You know? Nice meeting you again, my brother.
Thank you.
How are you doing, my brother?
I'm good.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yes. Our upcoming events, the NDI Unity Conference, which is the second edition that is coming up in Asaba. What do you have for our people?
Well. Our Unity Conference, which will be coming on by February at Asaba, is targeted to address some crucial issues as it affects us, as the people in the Igbo. And one of the things we are going there to do is to actually let the people know the need to come together as an Igbo. And we are still using this medium to invite you, being male and female, who has this love for Ndi Igbo and who wish Ndi Igbo to come together as one big family. We are inviting you. Just declare your interest. We'll give you the venue.
Thank you.
So that you be part of
Ndi Igbo, this is really very, very important for our unity, this conference, because we will be having proponents from Ikwere, proponents from Ika region, proponents from Ukwani, Aniocha,
Idemili,
Oba,
Oka,
and Ndoni, Ichi,
Nkano,
Egbema, and every part of Igbo land.
Both the ones that are in Kogi and Benue.
Exactly.
And we have people that will be coming from Igbake as well.
Exactly.
So our target is to actually address this issue of disunity that we have been battling among the Igbo family. All
right. What we intend to achieve is the first ever, the second edition actually of this Unity Conference, where we will now have more proponents who are joining. Because if we are able to convince and show what it means to have unity to one Ikwere man brings two Ikwere persons, three Ikwere persons bring, and from there it spreads, this love spreads. And also in the Unified Igbos now, in conjunction or in collaboration with Ndi Igbo Social and Ndi Igbo Cultural and Social Enlightenment for Unity Foundation, this is the time that we need this kind of fronts. This is a it is a non-violent approach towards the unity of Ndi Igbo. It is of unity because one day Ndi Igbo one day in our lifetime Ndi Igbo
will have a celebration.
When celebration
that we'll be having together as one big family.
Exactly. So
that is
there are more to achieve with the Igbo unity. I thank you for all your patience and the hard work that you are doing. And also I am thanking Ndi Igbo too. Think Home, the Akurulo initiative is still ongoing. The Akurulo initiative should be encouraged. The Akurulo initiative, that is why I am partnering with Pine Leaf Estates.
That reminds me, let me come to that aspect. Right. I will say congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
As a newly endorsed ambassador to Pine Leaf Estate and Property Limited.
Yeah.
Now, how did you feel being chosen as one of the pioneer or ambassador to this Pine Leaf Estate, and looking at what Ndi Igbo is going through all across the Federation? What are the things that Pine Leaf are actually doing to encourage our brothers, both those in diaspora and those outside the Igbo land, coming home to invest? What are...
Okay. First of all, it did not just come in a platter. It is based on shared hard work. And because our message resonates with what is obtainable, resonates with the initiative Akurulo. So I think that is where all this whole partnership started. And being it someone that has the interest of Igbo, the development of Igbo nation, that's Igbo identity, Igbo nation identity is really, it gives me this sleepless night. So I think Pine Leaf, from my investigation and from my meetings and what I have found out about Pine Leaf Estate is that they have the interest of Igbo. First of all, they started by suspending their sales in Lagos. They had sales in Abuja, Lagos, and everything. They suspended that, and in order to drive home their kurulu, they said, Igbo are buying up properties in Lagos. How much more the Igbo land? Who is going to develop Igbo land? How are we going to develop Igbo land? And that is where I doff my hat for them. They now brought it home. And besides, they have 20 years experience in the real estate business and property management. So I think with real estate, our people are secured. Our people are sure of affordable properties and genuine properties also.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. And you've heard it from him. And if there's any other question you need to ask, you can go to him as an ambassador.
Yes.
One thing we still want to bring to the table is that the program that will be coming up by February at Asaba, at the second edition of Igbo's Unity Conference,
yes,
is that we need sponsorship from you, from our brothers and our sisters, both home and in diaspora.
Yes.
Because the program we have at hand is very large. And this is not something we're just going to be doing with just mere word, but there are some things that need to be put in place to enable us achieve our goals. And that is where we are needing you to partner with us.
Thank you.
It doesn't really matter how little or how big it is, but what we need is that partnership.
Exactly.
Come, you can write me or you write him, you write whosoever that is involved, but for say, both of us are the sole coordinator to this program. Come to us, let us know where we are going to be partnering with us and you to get this event achieved greatly. So we are calling you to partner with us. Don't hesitate, because what concerns Igbo concerns you as an Igbo. So it is a deal for every one of us, and if we achieve it, it is also a good goal achieved for every one of us.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Igbo. We are calling for your sponsorship to this for this great Igbo Unity Conference, and we are counting on that sponsorship. Thank you, and God bless you. I remain Chukwemeka, the Unify Igbo's non-proponents. We all are proponents, but everybody must speak for himself.
Yes, I still remain Unify Igbo non-proponent as well. Igbo is where per se, and you know, Madam William Manukaide, Woka Komazu, Igbo na Dema. Until we come your way again, Chetekwenu, Nasana Kurono,
Amaronya
Balea.
Is say,
hey.